Friends, today I want to start by asking you a question, very important question. How many hours do you think you have in a day? Answer will be 24 hours, right? And how many hours do you think top athletes, top CEOs, top businessmen, top professionals, top anything has in a day? The answer is 24 hours, right? So irrespective of where you are, what you do, wherever you are in this planet or whatever you are doing in this planet, you will always have 24 hours. And a lot of times we have so many things to do in a day that even 24 hours that we have seems very less for us, seems very limited for us, right? So today I'm going to share with you top 4 free tools from Google which will help you to become more productive, more efficient, more organized, and which will help you to do more with less time. So let's get into this. Tool number 1, Google Calendars. This is my personal favorite. I calendar everything I do in a day. You also should start doing it because a lot of times we want to do a lot of things in a day, but at the end of the day we do nothing. And the reason behind this is we have not calendared it. We don't know what to do and when to do and which place to do. We have not allocated any time and place to the things that we want to do in a day or accomplish in a week. And not only that, Google Calendar will notify you. It will send you email based on the settings that you have made about every event that you have blocked time for. So you don't even have to remember what you want to do. It will make you remember. So it will give you a good picture of how you're spending your day, and you'll be able to optimize your day going forward. You'll be able to move things which are not important, and you will not block time for those things in your calendar. So it's very, very important to start using calendar. And how many times have you forgot about an important birthday? How many times have you forgotten about a particular occasion which you later regretted? We have all done this. How many times have you actually ended up paying late fees because you forgot about the last date of paying the bill? How many times you ended up paying extra interest and late fees charges for your credit card bill because you just missed the last date of paying that bill? We have been there. We all have been there. We all have done this. But if you would have put a calendar reminder, recurring, monthly, weekly, yearly, whenever that dates are, those important dates are, those important occasions are, those times or dates or days in a month where you need to pay the particular bill that you need to clear to avoid any interest charge, to avoid any late fees, then you don't even have to remember because the calendar will remember and remind you. You have a free assistant who will remind you in a way, right? So start using Google Calendars. Your life will be much better, much smoother, much sorted, much organized, right? That's tip number 1. This brings us to the second tool, which is Google Assistant. Google Assistant is almost like a real assistant, and we all want an assistant for ourselves. So if you're not using Google Assistant, start using it, and you can use it in several languages, not only English. You only need to change the settings. So what you can do through Google Assistant looks small, but it has huge impact. You can put reminders, you can put blocks to your calendars, you can voice search anything, you can put alarms, and you can even automate your home. You can automate your lights, fans, or anything that you have. If you have home automation solution, you can control everything with the help of your Google Assistant. And the best part is it syncs directly with your Google Calendar. So you don't need to go to your Google Calendar through your phone or your laptop and put and block time. You can just ask your Google Assistant to block time for any event. You can just ask your Google Assistant to put any reminder weekly, monthly, or in an ad hoc basis. You can ask your Google Assistant to put any work blocks. So you can manipulate the entire calendar with the help of your Google Assistant. It seems like these are small little things, but these small little efficiency gains, these small little productivity improvements will accumulate and compound to a huge amount of savings and huge improvement of efficiency, and you will be able to achieve much more and you'll be able to do much more in a day if you use this automation techniques in your life in a daily basis. So make technology work for you and not the other way around. That's tip number 2. Tool number 3, Google Keep. So Google Keep is there in every Android phone, and you can access it through internet as well in your desktop or laptop. It's extremely friendly, it's extremely accessible, and it's very simple to use. So Google Keep is like a bedtime notebook. It's like a scribble book. It's like a sticky note which you use to scribble down anything and everything which you want to refer later. It can be a list of books that you want to buy, it can be a shopping list, it can be a grocery list, it can be a nice quote that you want to remember later and you just want to record it. So it can be anything and everything that you want to keep in mind, and probably as a reference. So you just quickly copy and paste and probably type it down and note it down in a Google Keep, and you just forget. You can make checklists, you can make normal notes, point notes, you can do anything, and it's a small sticky notes which kind of gets saved into your profile, and you can access it through internet, through your phone, or you can access it through your laptop. You can access it anywhere, and it's in cloud, so you are sure that it's not going to get lost. So don't use your brain to store all this temporary information for you, because you will not be able to. Use Google Keep instead, right? Tool number 4, Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is like an online Excel sheet, or whoever have used Microsoft Excel will be able to relate to it. So it's like a spreadsheet where you can do all kinds of calculation, you can also do programming and all those kind of things. But apart from that, there is another very, very important use of Google Sheet. You can actually use Google Sheet to track all your personal and professional activities and projects. I extensively use Google Sheets to track everything, all my personal and professional projects. I use different tabs in the Google Sheet to track the activities which I do almost on a daily basis, and I know where certain projects and certain initiatives are in both my work and in my personal level. So that's how you can use Google Sheet to keep yourself in track in terms of progress as well. I have made another video in my channel regarding how you can use Google Sheet to search jobs, how you can track all the activities that you are doing while searching for jobs or roles, but that was very specific. But you can definitely go and watch that video. That gives a very good example of how you can use Google Sheet to accomplish your personal goals, and how you can track various activities and projects with the help of Google Sheets. So you can use it as an online version of a free, elaborate tracker of anything that you would like to track, and I would urge you to give it a try. I'll probably make a demo sometime regarding how you can use different templates in Google Sheet to track different types of goals. So do subscribe my channel so that you get a notification as soon as I release that video. But that's tool number 4. Start using Google Sheet to track all your activities. That brings us to the end of the video. Hope you have liked this video, and thanks for watching Connect with Shayan, and don't forget to subscribe and share as well.